how to learn any language easily with these ChatGPT prompts. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the easiest way to learn any language using ChatGPT. So this AI-powered assistant is more than just a chatbot. It's a smart language learning companion that helps structure lessons, simulate conversations, and test progress. So here's how to make the most of it. So, traditional language learning methods often fail due to lack of motivation, boring resources, and unclear goals. ChatGPT changes the game by providing instant, customized guidance, whether learning Spanish, French, Japanese, or any other language. So, these tools make the process more interactive, goal oriented, and fun. So there is no need for expensive applications or classes, just focus on AI assistance. So a solid plan is the foundation of successful language learning. Instead of guessing what to study each day, use ChatGPT to generate a step-by-step guide. So here's a prompt to try. Simply type in down, I'm a beginner in, let's say, Spanish, and I can study 1 hour daily. And then you're going to say create 30 day, let's say 30 days plan using the Pareto principle. Okay, so I'm going to type this prompt down and enter it to ChatGPT. So the Pareto principle focuses on top 20% of words and grammar used 80% of the time in everyday speech. This approach minimizes wasted time on irrelevant content and maximizes real-life language exposure. The plan can even be broken down by a day or a week, covering vocabulary, listening, grammar, and speaking drills. So instead of searching endlessly online, ask ChatGPT for language-rich media that matches your level. Suggest beginner-friendly music, movies, podcasts, YouTube channels, and news websites in Spanish. So this creates full immersion from day one. Learners can listen to music while communicating, watch shows with subtitles, or read beginner stories before bed. Immersion accelerates understanding of pronunciation, grammar, patterns, and culture content. For deeper engagement, request specific genres like romantic comedies, crime thrillers, or historical dramas, whatever makes learning enjoyable and sticky. Vocabulary is the backbone of fluency. Instead of memorizing random words, use ChatGPT to build a frequency-based vocabulary list. Give me a list of 1,000 most used words in Spanish, 10 per day, in table format with English translation and example sentences. So this data can be exported into apps like Anki or Quizlet for spaced repetition learning. With just 10 new words a day, a learner can gain 300 essential words in a month. And pronunciation guides or use it in conversion prompts for even more depth. Reading and writing are important, but speaking is essential. ChatGPT can act as a language partner. Give me a real-life scenario and ask me questions in Spanish. So this allows learners to simulate common situations like ordering at a cafe, meeting someone new, or asking for directions. Prompts can be adjusted for beginner, intermediate, or advanced levels. Learners also receive instant feedback or corrections on their responses. It's a low-pressure way to build confidence before speaking with real people. Grammar can feel overwhelming unless there's a roadmap. So you can use this. List beginner grammar topics in Spanish in the right learning order. So ChatGPT will map out the foundational topics such as verb conjugation, gender rules, sentence structure, tenses, and connectors for each topic learners can ask. You can also say explain a specific grammar rule with examples, then give me a practice question. Instead of learning grammar randomly, this approach builds understanding in layers. By combining explanations with exercises, learners retain knowledge more efficiently. To measure progress, you can use ChatGPT to create personalized quizzes. You can ask ChatGPT to create a mock test with fill-in-the-blank short answers and comprehensive sections. These exercises challenge recall, reinforce memory, and highlight weak areas. Learners can schedule a test every 7 or 14 days to track improvement and keep motivation high. So ChatGPT is one of the most powerful free tools for language learners today. It offers customized plans, grammar drills, fun practice, and on-demand quizzes, all without needing to wait for a tutor. While speaking with real people is essential for fluency, ChatGPT is an ideal daily companion for structured private practice. So use it consistently for 30 days and the results will speak for themselves. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.